guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a plan with me for February 19th through the 25th. As you can see, this little blob here, Lunar, has decided to come and join us today, so I might have to move him around a little bit to do this, but I figured I would share this with you guys. I had actually started planning on my own, so I have this Japanese washi tape from Daiso and has different designs from like the different areas in Japan, which I thought was really cool. And then I just used a slim blue MT washi tape at the top because I'm going to be going with an aqua and blue theme in this week. So now that you know what washi tapes we are using, let's go ahead and just get started. So I'm dog sitting this week, so I decided to use a Cinnamoroll sticker to put that. So I'm just gonna take I don't know which stickers exactly, but I'm gonna put it on the 5 days that I'm watching the dog. So maybe these ones here. Zoom you in a little bit. I love Cinnamoroll. I think that it is just such a cute character. Oh, I put the 3 of the same stickers. No. Maybe I can get it off. Okay, whatever. It's just how it's gonna have to be. It's not gonna come back off. So, I also had some dentist appointments this week on Monday and Tuesday, so let me go ahead and put those down. Oh, and the pen that I'm using, this is my like aqua blue 0.25 hexagonal pen from Muji, and then I'm just going in with the Muji gel pen. This is like the turquoise one in 0.38. So I don't have 2 of the same size, but I really like these colors, so that's what I decided to go with. Okay, and then on Saturday we're actually going to be going to Lake Erie, so put that as well. And then I have quite a few things I need to get done this week, so let's make a quick to-do list. All right, and then this pen smears quite easily, so I'm actually going to be doing my check boxes with the blue one instead. Let me grab my Hobonichi Week stencil. And I think I'm going to do circles this week. So, as I mentioned, I'm dog sitting this week, and the poor little dog is so sad without her mom there, and I'm having to like feed her food like piece by piece, like from my hand. It's really sad. I feel so bad with her, so I try to go over for at least an hour, like extra to what I usually go check on her, and just spend time with her because she's just so sad and it makes me sad. So what do I have to do? I have some packages. I have to get coins exchanged. I really have to renew my license because I've been saying it for weeks now and I haven't done it, but I just need to get it done because hopefully I'm going to be hearing back about my COE really shortly. So then I have to go and get like my visa stuff done, and then I'm also going to get like an international driving permit just in case I need a car when I'm in Japan. I'm not totally sure if I'll ever use it, but I just thought it might be good in like in an emergency situation to have a driving permit, just, you know, just in case. Lunar is tapping some of my stuff here. What else did I have? I know there was some other stuff and now I'm blanking. Well, of course, film and edit, that's like every week. Oh, you know what? Actually, me and my mom are planning out her trip to come visit me. Well, both her and my dad are going to be coming to see me later on this year. So we were starting to plan that trip. So I will just put plan Japan trip. And me and my sister, she's probably going to be coming a different time, most likely more in the summer. So we also have to plan our trip as well, which is going to be so fun. I'm really excited to have them. So let me zoom out just a bit. And then I think what I'm going to do is go in with some of these stickers that I made. These are from the, what is this called? Japan Lover Me website. So I'm just going to go ahead and stick some of these around. I really love this little cat under the kotatsu. So we'll put one of those. And then we can also put the Shibuya 109. And then, I really like these, the little bags for Loft and Tokyo Hands, which are two of my absolute favorite shops to buy stationery at. So if you're ever in Japan, I highly recommend going there because it is amazing. So good. And then also this Purikura machine, really cute. Maybe I'll put it here. And then I also have some of my JMK aka washi stickers cut out already. I picked some of the Japan themed ones. I just figured that would be appropriate. So I really like this one with the shrine. So I'm gonna put that one probably on the right hand page. And then I'm gonna take the one that has the JR station and I'll put that on Thursday or Friday because we're gonna be traveling the next day. So I think that's appropriate. But yeah, I'm getting really excited. Me and my mom were planning out her trip to Japan last night and I was like getting so excited because we're actually going to be going to see some stuff that I've never seen before. So I am like super stoked about that because I get to travel around more of Japan and I get to do it with my parents. So I'm very excited to say the least. I also want to put my video schedule on here as well. So let me get my blue pen. And on Tuesday, the What You Need to Buy in Japan video was released. If you haven't checked it out, it will be at the end of this video. So make sure to click on that if you are interested. In Japan. And then I think I've changed it to, what is it now? Stationery Saturdays. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've made it Travel Tuesdays and Stationery Saturdays. So what I was thinking maybe in the future, if I have more than one video a week, I would do Travel Tuesdays and Thursdays and then Stationery Saturdays and Sundays, just to kind of have like a theme going on. So let me know if that sounds like a decent idea. I'm not really sure what everybody's schedule is like, but I want to create content for both every week, so I figure maybe if I have like a schedule to keep me more responsible or hold me like more liable to post videos. So this Saturday, this video right here is going to go up. So let me Hobonichi weeks. I was also thinking of doing a flip through of my January and February in my weeks. I'm not sure if you guys would be interested in seeing something like that. So if you are, please let me know. So I think I'm gonna take some of these little Cinnamoroll stickers. I also have this sheet here and just kind of stick these around. So they have these really cute Cinnamoroll ones. So I'll stick some of those and some yellow ones as well. Really cute. What else? Oh, there's also like this little Cinnamoroll that's kind of like hanging down, so I could put him at the top somewhere. That's kind of cool. I don't know how to get him in the corner properly though. He's so tiny. These are really great for the week's monthly view as well. They are literally like the perfect size for something like that. So if you're looking for some really small Hobonichi week stickers, I definitely recommend the little Sanrio stickers. I have like all of the different characters because I thought it was so cute. So highly recommend. And then we'll put, I don't know what else, maybe another cinnamon roll down at the bottom. And then they have like the little bird. So I'll put the little tiny, tiny, tiny bird. It's like my fingers are not that big, but it's almost hard to grip these little guys. Can you see how tiny that thing is? Can I zoom in? Oh my god, it's so tiny. Doesn't even want to focus when it's getting that close. Like that. Oh my gosh. So, I don't know if there's anything else I really need to put. I don't think there's too much else going on this week. I'm just going to be dog sitting and I'm going to be working on some videos for my travel channel as well. So I think that's about it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to stick around for more videos, and check out my other videos if you haven't already. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!